Hello everyone, at ngayon ay day 2 na ng SME. Today is November 23, 2024. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga companies or mga store na nandito or mga businesses sa biyahe ko.
I want that as an outstanding picture right there. Pwede naman humingin ako, wala pa.
Hello everyone, at ngayon ay nasa SME tayo at day 2. At kasama natin si Sir Rainier.
Innovation is
Then sir, regarding po pala sa item nyo or sa product nyo, sir, ano pala yung nature ng business nyo?
Okay, so our company is called Spasm Studios. We focus on 3D printing. So basically, we 3D print anything for manufacturing needs, for any business needs, at yung mga cosplay props or movie props.
Sir, regarding po pala dito sa props na to, sir,
Yes.
na 3D print, is ilang parts po pala to? Sir?
Like this one, this has about 7 parts. So printed, we have more than 200 printers. So we can like print it right away, tapos pagdidikitin lang. Tapos our artist will like paint it, tapos yan yung accent para makuha yung talagang dun kasi this is an anime prop yung kung ano yung nasa anime. Almost replica siya na life size for our cosplayers to use.
Then sir, kung sa ganito sir, average po, mga gano'ng katagal po siya i-gagawin sir?
Kasi now we have a lot of printers. This one, we can print it within 1 day. Tapos yung painting will take about another day or 2. Tapos yun, pwede. So in 3 days, we can do one.
Then, syempre sir, regarding po pala dito, ano pala yung mga nandito sir?
Yeah, so we also have like swords. We also have like mga masks. Yeah. So we also have like, we can print trophies. Ito naman for a robotics company, which is different yung material niya, plastic siya, pero anti-UV. So, because they use it outdoors. So, different materials, different requirements, we can print different things.
Then, sir, para lang sa magkaroon sila ng idea, sir, magkano po pala yung average na paggawa ng kayo na to customize, sir?
Yeah. Something like this is mga almost more than 4 feet. This one painted will cost around 3,500 pesos. So it's not that expensive, especially sa mga cosplayer na gusto gumamit. So magde-depend siya kung ano yung ginamit ng material saka yung paint. Something like bigger like this one, which is longer, painted around 4-5. So, nagde-depend. Something like this, na maliit lang, not painted, around 100 pesos lang. 100 pesos.
Then, syempre sir, para lang sa mga first time lang sa 3D, is nag-ano rin po ba kayo? Parang nag-ano kayo retail or nag-wholesale din?
Yes. First, we can do like, ang kagandahan sa 3D printing, walang minimum. So, kung gusto mo isa lang, okay lang. Pero we've done like, kung meron kang gustong ipa-mass produce na toys, you know, like for example, this one, company lets us print this and they require like 1,000 pieces. Yun, we can also do that, of course, mas mura yung price because of bulk order. So, we can do minimal orders and also bulk orders.
Syempre sir, please invite naman po para ma-contact for other inquiries or other questions or concerns nila, sir.
Sure. Thank you for having us here. So, you can go to Spasm Studios. Search nyo lang Spasm Studios 3D Printing on our FB page. And lalabas yun. Then you can just contact us sa Messenger.
Then, ayun pala sir, saan pala yung pinaka-main nyo, sir? Headquarters or
yes.
location?
Okay. Ang print farm namin, yung main print farm is in Binyan, Laguna. We have the 200 printers there. Tapos, by January, we'll be opening the Makati office. And as of the moment, we have a branch in Baguio. So in the Baguio branch, actually next week we'll be going to SL University because we're working with them closely on the 3D printing of their mechatronics department and architectural department.
And just in case na may mga other concern kayo or interesado kayo sa mga 3D print na products, kontakin nyo na lang sila directly. Lalagay ko sa video at sa description below. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks.
Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa Philconstruct at day 1 kasama